Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize Gemini 2.0 recommendation for personal use. So to customize a Gemini recommendation for personal use, you can leverage the Germs feature which allows you to create personalized AI assistant and tailor to your specific needs. So here how to effectively customize your experience. So you will just getting start with gem and you will just accessing gem open the Gemini web app at gemini.google.com, and on the left panel you will see there is an gem manager. You will just tab on it, and when you just tab on it, here you will see the is pre-made gem, starting with pre-made options like brainstormer, career guide, or writing editor. These can serve as a foundation for your customization easily. So creating your new gem in the section, you will just when you just tab on it. So right now it's not available because it is in create an gem. You will just purchase the plan of it, and but I will just tell you some basics things in this. After purchasing, you will just the more specific you are with your instructions, the better your gem will perform for assistance. If you are preparing for a job interview, instruct your gem to act as a hiring manager and specific the type of questions it should ask. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.